Okay, so what we got here is a Toyota GR Yaris Hybrid Sport, installed with the Starline M66 security system. So if you don't have a tag with you, you cannot start this vehicle. So if a thief copies or clones your key, they will not be able to drive off with your vehicle, as they don't have the tag with them. So if I try and start the car, as you can see, it will not say ready on top of the P, because I don't have the tag with me. So what's going to happen, it's going to call you as well on the phone.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So let you know someone's going in the vehicle and trying to start the vehicle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the tag. Okay, so now I've got the Starline tag with me. I can start the vehicle up as normal. As you can see, it says ready at the top. Because it's a hybrid, you won't hear the engine kicking, obviously. So if you want this installed on yours, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Comments at Car Sound Security Alpha Gansel RG26.